So this video is to demonstrate a very quick example of what Neptune's DXP can produce with regards to providing end users with mass maintenance or mass creation capabilities within SAP. We're going to compare this to an end user tool that allows end users to perform their own recording of an operation in SAP, whether that's a create or a change. That tool will then create an Excel spreadsheet where they have every column in the spreadsheet as a field that they touched or modified or entered data into during that recording process. The user would then fill out that Excel spreadsheet, obviously completing as many rows as needed, push it back through that said tool, and that would perform those operations in mass. Now, what we've done is we've created something using similar technology as the recording, but provided in a way better user experience within the Neptune platform. So we're going to open the application up now, and the first screen we'll see is a search screen. So this basic example is really to help end users make mass changes to standard prices, right? And this could apply to any change or creation within SAP. Now, if you were using Excel, for example, the one thing that you would need to do is get that data that you need to change into Excel. Now, that involves some type of end user or user interaction, which can lead to problems, data errors, fat fingering, typing errors, etc., etc. So what we've done is, we can search on certain attributes. These can be changed, and it will do a direct read from SAP, providing the material numbers, descriptions, as well as the standard price. So we'll choose 21 here in product 1. We'll go to step 2. Now, this allows you to go ahead and change the values directly in the web front interface. Now, if you're working with a lot of data, this could be time consuming, but the benefits of having this type of user experience allows them to do common changes. So for example, we're doing a price change. Maybe this is a seasonal discount where we want to add 10%. Now, this allows them to go ahead and apply that discount to everything without needing to go into Excel. So a very simple, let's apply 15% discount between these dates for this seasonal promotion is much simpler in here. The other benefit of having this inside of Neptune is you can add additional validation rules over and above SAP. So for example, you don't want them to have a discount of more than 50%. Sure, some of those rules could be applied and configured in SAP, but what if they don't? You don't want users being able to put raw data in Excel to make those changes and really mess up your master data or your transactional data in very, very quick amounts of time, right? If the simple apply discount to all material prices did not exist, we can export this and it will open up in an Excel sheet over here. And we can see the data's in there. It's already given me the standard price of what the 10% discount is. I can further change that and do those prices. I can then save that, import that, and we can see those values are in there, right? So giving them mass change based on common scenarios, giving them manual data entry, as well as giving them export and import using Excel, the tool that they all love. Going into step 3, it's going to give you a confirmation. This is now directly going into SAP and performing those changes. And because this is a standard price change, typically it would be pricing conditions, we can actually see the results coming back from SAP. So this does say that it was a success, and it says what the price document change was posted as. However, if there was an error, that error would also be provided in that. Now, this could then be provided as an Excel spreadsheet for proof that it was performed, as well as any of those document numbers.